Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today for dinner I'm cooking some fish. This is what we call Basa Fillet fish in Australia. So Basa Fillet fish, I'm going to cook it in the pan and in some good spices. So for the spices I'm going to put this aside and then bring a plate here. In the plate I'm going to add paprika, about a tablespoon of paprika, and then black pepper, a tablespoon of black pepper, salt, a teaspoon of salt. Just gonna add mixed herbs, and then also I'm going to add like a tablespoon of garlic paste. That's just garlic paste. I want my fish to be full of that garlic flavor, and then I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Just to help mixing this. So I'm also going to add a lemon. Some lemon juice, guys. I'm just going to mix my spices. Little bit of oil. I'm just going to add a little bit of chili flakes. All right, this is good. And now I'll coat my fish. Sorry. So just putting the fish in my dressing, in my marinade. Marinate the fish just for about 5 minutes or so. You don't need to do it for too long. Alright guys, in a large pan I'm going to add butter, a tablespoon of butter, I'm just gonna melt the butter and make sure it's nice and hot. Now I'm going to add my fish. For now, I'm just gonna pan fry the fish for 5 minutes on each side and see how this turns out. Alright, I'm going to cook the other side. Guys, this is looking good. Alright guys, I think this is ready. I'm just going to add fresh parsley. And there you go, it's basa fillet, pan-fried basa fillet. Alright guys, I'm just going to set this aside and then cook another batch. Alright, now I'm cooking another. I didn't want to overcook the fish, so now I'm just going to cook these two, and I've got 2 more. I don't want to overcook the fish and overcrowd them, so I'm cooking 2 at a time. Alright, I'm cooking the other side. Okay, so I'm cooking each side for about 5 minutes or so. And you have to be gentle with this fish. It breaks so easily. like I said before, this is basa fillet. Basa fillet. You have to cook it very gently because it breaks so easily. Alright guys, the fish is looking good. I'm just adding parsley as a garnish. Just a little bit of parsley. Alright guys, I'm just adding the last batch of the fish. Alright guys, this is how I cook my basa fillet. It's so easy to make, and now I'm going to set aside.